Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Oh my gosh, it's been a very busy day. So I have another haul to share with you. This is coming from Natalie, who is Pretty Mix Studio here on YouTube and Instagram. She also is prettymixstudio.com. If you guys go check her out, you'll find she has some very unique items and very cute stuff, guys. Cute stuff. Now let me just get this open and we can get into this bad boy. I didn't cut it. Oh no, come on, cut. All right, let's see, is that enough? Nope, not enough. This is my first purchase with Natalie. I did win one of her giveaways, but you know, it's always nice to support each other, support small business, especially if, you know, they are nice, reliable vendors. Oh my gosh, she sent me a thank you. How cute right off the bat. And this is her shop, Pretty Mix Studio. www.prettymixstudio.com. Wow, Natalie, this is so crazy cute. I love it. Let's see what they look like out of the bag. Of course, they're adorable, but uh-oh. Trying to open sesame. Here we go. These are flower tassels. Oh my goodness, look at that. They're so fluffy. Oh my gosh. You guys, go check out Natalie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You get 2 teal, 2 pink, 3 yellow. What? I'll take it. How cute. So, I got a few things, you guys, just a few, but look at how pretty her sticker is. Oh my gosh, it's a 12 by 12 box, or 14 by 14, whatever size this is. It's huge and it's heavy, and I got too much. Oh my god, let's start with these. Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, I need to take a picture. Hold on. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. I had to take a picture because it's so pretty in this box. Oh my god. Okay, so first thing that drew me to her shop was her baubles and things. Okay, so I grabbed, oh my god, I grabbed almost everything because it was just so damn affordable. You guys cannot go wrong with Natalie. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous packaging, girl. Gorgeous. I love everything. Oh, she's got fancy bag sealers. Look at you. Okay. All right, let's do this. So, okay, I'm not going to open them. There's her label. And I'm sorry if you hear some drumming. That's my son. Pretty Mix Studio. These are clear acrylic bead bows, and it goes from top to bottom. That is cute. And this is a different style bow, and it has the little, it looks like a Minnie Mouse bow, and it's got a little hoop loop on the top. You see that loop right there? So there you have it, and thank you for your order. Yes, girl. I love it. And then I got these gigantic hearts, and they have the loop on the top so you can dangle them. Wow. Oh my gosh, I need to go buy another storage container. Yes, look at these. You could put the bail on the back of these and use them as charms, but they're like the geometric heart. So pretty. Or faceted heart. And then I got a pack of these ice cream cones. How cute. Oh my gosh. Too pretty. Pink, mint, and light pink or lighter pink. And then we have a bag here with some smaller things, so I have to open this. Oh, I didn't want to do it, but I gotta. Didn't want to do it. Didn't want to do it. Look at her packaging. How pretty. I got the scissors. I got the scissors. How cute. Look at those colors. Orange, blue, green, yellow, pink, purple. Yes. I love it. And then we got some X and O's. These were a really good price, guys. You guys are missing out if you're not following her, checking out her studio. And there's those gold hearts that we could just put a jump ring through there and dangle them. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. And then her little clay peppermint sticks. It's pink and white. Really, really cute. Oh my gosh. I've seen ladies use that for like lollipop sticks, little charms. Oh gosh, these are heavy. Some gold paintbrush charms. There's a little hole at the top of the handle, and you can put a jump ring through there and have it dangle. How gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And then this little pack of mix is clay and heishi. And you've got some pineapples, some pineapple slices, and then you've got the little pineapples itself. Did I say that already? And it's just mixed in with yellow, pink, and mint. 2 tones of pink. How cute! I also picked up this pack right here. I don't remember having. I don't remember how many was supposed to be in the pack. But yes, guys, these are for like ribbon tassels or paper tassels. You've seen people make paper tassels with that. Very, very cute. There's like a whole bunch in this. I think it's 50. I'm not sure. Don't quote me because I don't remember. So that is my order of beads and accessories. So I want to move these. Let me move these over. It's just gorgeous, you guys. I did pick up her, she was carrying round trip, Maggie Holmes round trip. And so I grabbed the collection. I am not one to just buy 1 or 2 pieces. I like grabbing the whole collection. So, yep, that's me. If you're wondering, this is the 12 by 12 paper pad right here. I don't know. I think people have shown the collection already, so I'm just going to show you what I got. I picked up the Ephemera Pack, and this is the like tickets and stuff. Oh my gosh, I love these for journals. Look at this. And that's another thing about Maggie Holmes is her packaging. You can use it in junk journals or your regifting, like embellishments to swaps and stuff. So you get 50 pieces in here, all tickets, stamps, all kinds of different stuff. So love, love, love. I can't wait. And we are taking a trip this summer, so that's going to be fun. You get a 40 pack on this one, and this one includes foil vellum. You get 5 foil pieces and vellum. There's some maps. I'm not going to take them out because, like I said, I think people have shared this already. Oh my gosh, there's some vellum flowers in there. There's a bicycle in there. There's a map. How cute. There's some, what are these called? Frames. Gosh, I can't think. I'm just so overwhelmed. I picked up the stickers. I think these are like clear sheets of stickers. There's 8 sheets in here. So, okay, it's a mix. So these are like transparent stickers. And look at this, all of these. You get 446 stickers, guys. All teeny tiny. There's that keychain, that hotel keychain that I just bought from Dollar Tree. That's gonna be fun. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Look at the stacked suitcases, the mailbox, the airplane. Oh my gosh, look at all the stubs. Some travel stubs. Oh yes, airlines. Oh my gosh. This one is a little thicker than this one. This is transparent. This is like cardstock. There's another transparent stickers. There's a bus. There's a swan. Another swan. I love this airplane. It's pink and orange. There's that key fob thing. It's not a key fob, but a keychain. Then you get some micro alphas and some sentiments. Those are so tiny. Pink and blue, all in gold. And okay, that's one. And then we get another transparent sticker set with florals. Then we got flags. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I love the camera. This one's another transparent sticker set. How cute. This is cardstock. Look at these. These are frames. This is a frame right here, and then this is a sticker right there. There's another frame with the sticker in the middle. How cute. And that's it for that one. Oh my gosh. Look at these. I got two. Yes, I got two. Thank goodness. I got the puffy stickers. I got the puffy stickers. Woo woo. Because you only get one sheet and you get 50 in that one sheet, but you know, you always want more. But I love it. They got suitcases, flowers, bicycles, airplanes. Oh my gosh. So many. And now I know what Poochie was talking about. Like they took the puffy from the puffy. I agree, Poochie. I agree. It's not as puffy. Come on, Maggie. Come on, Maggie. Come through. Give us our puffies. I did grab the stamp set because I think I want to stamp this on my shrink-a-dink. Shrink-a-dink-dink, shrink-a-dink-a-dink. Look at the camera. That would be so tiny. Oh my gosh. The airplane, explorer. That'd be so cute. Okay. So I got the stamps. I did pick up her scissors. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Cocoa Cut Christmas Edition. What? I want to feel ya. I want to. Oh, yes, girl. Yes. Fussy cutting #1. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that sucker is sharp. Don't play with this. Don't play. Don't touch my scissors. These are my fancy one. I'm going to hold on to that for a hot second because that is too fancy to mess with. Here is our cardstock stickers. You get 97. Double-sided. Oh my goodness. Let's go. That's my favorite. Okay, here we go. This is the extra. Read all about it. We got the cardstock. Yes. I mean the chipboard. Is this just one? Did I only order one? I only ordered one thing of cardstock. Really? I mean chipboard. Usually I grab two, but I guess I only grabbed one. And you all have seen it. You get 62 chipboards. And now here's the paper collection. Round trip, 48 papers. I'm assuming 48 designs. So let's get this bad boy open. Oh, I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it. This would be so pretty with the her summer paper collection that she had. Was it 2 years ago? As much as I love it, I don't remember the name because I used it like a few times. Oh wow! Like you don't have enough ephemera. Look at this page. Tags, stamps. You got journaling spots. Oh my gosh! Cut parts. Oh my gosh! Ephemera. If you didn't pick up any of that, this page will do it for you. You got some black and white leaves. These are single-sided because it's the paper pad. You got the pink roses. There'll probably be no foil, any kind of specialty treatment. You got wood green. Ooh, I love this one. Somebody tell me what the summer collection was. Oh, this is my favorite right here. Junk journal. Look at that. All the flowers. Geometric. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Ooh, look at the tiny hearts. How cute. Ooh, I see purple plaid. That's very pretty. There it is. Very, very pretty. Yes. Yes, girl. Ooh, and then we have some sentiments here. Ooh. Some scissors are going to get some work in. I don't know about this page, but I like the mustard. I don't know about the whole bursting stars. I don't know. There's some airplanes. Airplane action. This stripe is almost in all her collections. If you look at all of her collections, there's a stripe like this, and it just might be a different coloration. Ooh, I like this. Look at this Transit Authority. How cute. I love it. We got some hearts. Oh, yeah. All the signage. Look at that. Travel signs. Dream Stars. How pretty. I don't know about this one. This was a nice one for a solid background for matting. Oh, you got more tickets. Tickets and tags. Yes, fragile. You guys don't know why I say fragile? You guys gotta go watch A Christmas Story. You got some grid paper. The blue floral. That's pretty. Ooh, that hurts my eyes. I don't know about you, but this hurts my eyes. Oh, I love the transit buses. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, and the peach color version of the one we saw earlier. Strawberries from Sweet Story. This is also, I think, in Carousel or Bloom, or one of those collections. Oh, I love that she put more airplanes. Yes, more of the, you know, the vehicles that we travel through, like the airplane and the bus. It'd be nice if she threw in the train. Planes, trains, and automobiles. Why not? Look at this, gorgeous. Oh, I love the stripes. This one hurts my eyes, just like the other one. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So, okay, Maggie, since you did Paris, can we get a collection that is like stateside, like, you know, I don't know, New York or California or one of those? Look at that. Oh my gosh, postcards. I love this. Look at the bicycles. Tourist. That sounds like tourist to me. Okay, since you're in Paris, where's the little moped thing? That's cute. That is so retro. The swans. This was in one of her other collections, many of her collections. This one's okay. I think this was in Garden Party. But if you guys haven't noticed, Maggie Holmes, although I love her collections, a lot of the prints you'll see, if you missed the collection and you loved it and you missed out, wait for the next one, because eventually it's going to come back. Look at this suitcase. It's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. So eventually you'll see that print in a future collection. But this is adorable. And I'm not mad at it. I'm not. Look at the blueberries. I think this was also in another collection. But, you know, don't hold it against me. I love the plaid. And that's it, guys. You get a single print of each. And that's the downside with the 12 by 12 paper pads. But, you know, it is what it is. You can't have everything, Eileen. You just can't. You know, you tell yourself that you can, but you can't. I did not pick everything up because apparently there are other things that are part of this collection. I think there were postcards or something. So yeah, if you guys go check out Natalie, she probably has a little bit more left of the round trip collection. So thank you all for watching. Check out Natalie, prettymixstudios.com, and check out her Instagram also, because she usually posts what she's got in her shop, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, thank you all for watching. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you know when I load a new video. So I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.